Hey yo, so today I decided to share how we built, launched and failed our B2C microsaas. In this video, I'm just going to reflect on this journey, what went wrong, what we could have done better, and how we are planning to navigate in the future. If you're a fellow indiehacker, co-founder, or founder, I think you might find it interesting. Today is Saturday, and typically that's the day when me and my co-founders are at the office, building, designing, brainstorming, overthinking, and doing this whole startup shit. After the work, I went for the evening ride and decided to share some thoughts. A couple of months ago, we had one project. It is called Transcribely. You can still find it, but we treat it as a dead one, maybe just hibernating. The idea came from something very simple. I just needed to transcribe 45 minutes interview for my university, and I just did not want to pay for those shitty monthly plans or whatever. I wanted to transcribe that single file. As I couldn't find any decent pay-as-you-go option, I ended up going on a GitHub, Amazon Transcribe, and coding a simple MVP for myself. It solved my problem, it worked, it was cheap, so I decided to pitch this idea to my co-founders. For me, it was first time building something with AWS Lambdas. The solution was serverless, everything ran on demand, meaning that only when there were users, solution was actually using resources. Obviously, get some latency because you need to warm up your backend, but it was cheap as hell. So for the first 2 months, we were actively building it, but later, for another 2, I guess, we were polishing it. We had a solid backend, clean UI, and we prepared for launch. That's where shit happened. We released it, launched Facebook ads, and people were actively signing up. We got like 20 users per day. We were super happy about it. Some of them were transcribing, but there is a small problem. We got only some purchases. And by some, I mean like 2 or 3 since launch. We thought maybe they need more functionality. Maybe transcription was not enough. So we integrated ChatGPT to summarize stuff and provide actionable items. We have simplified user experience. We have cleaned up UI. We added some more features. Think that helped? Hell no. After releasing version 2 or 3, people were still signing up. It was a good sign, but there were no purchases. Not even payment initiations, because we were logging those actions. That's where self-doubt kicks in. So we built a solution quite fast. It got some tractions, there were signups, people were using it, but in terms of payments, total disaster. We began to question ourselves. Was it the product or marketing fuck up? Besides that, you begin to question everything. Is it even worth to create those B2C tools? Maybe it's just simpler to build something for businesses. You get one client, you have one communication channel, clear needs, less chaos, I guess. But at the same time, I like developing solutions for the people. Seeing someone use your tool and benefit from it, it just hits different, Now let's talk about lessons learned and the ways how I'm planning to navigate in the future. First one is product validation. That is extremely underestimated by technical people like me, because you think, I can develop MVP fast, why do I need to validate my product if I believe in my idea? That can really backfire, and I think that's what happened. The second one is distribution. You can't just hope that after releasing your product, someone will use it out of the blue. So you need to come up with a strategy. Think of the channels, how you will reach them, whether that would be ads, social media content, or other stuff. Whatever that is, just plan it in advance so that you wouldn't need to worry about it later. I believe these 2 points can save you a lot of time, and the best thing is that you don't even need an MVP to do that. So you can think of a distribution strategy, you can later create a landing page and a waitlist, just to see if it will work out, even on the paper. And these 2 points are something that I'm planning to work on and stick to in the future. Anyways, I just wanted to share these thoughts in case you're also building, failing, questioning your own stuff. If that's something that you can relate, you can share your story in the comments, or don't. That's totally up to you. And for those of you who are also on the grind, stay locked in and keep building. See you in the next one.